Hello guys. Regards sa ato ang mga subscribers sa atong YouTube channel. Mga unta ninyo guys. Dugay na ta wala naka-upload. So karon let's eat for now. We make a soup. With eggplant. Soup with eggplant with our swordfish. Yum. I wanna say thank you sa mga nag-subscribe sa ato ang channel. Sorry, wala ta naka-upload soon. Tuna soup. With scallion. And lots of rice, guys. Let's eat. So if you're feeling sick, guys, we're feeling sick. Lamig ito og sinabaw. Oh dear. So my dog is done with his walk this morning. Let's eat swordfish. It's not a swordfish, guys. It's tuna. Ito rin siyang gitinula ang tuna, guys. Kaya fresh na fresh. It's very fresh and it's good for a soup. With tomatoes, scallion, gingers, and onions. I like to have a soup, so this is what it is. Super sweet sa soup, guys. Super sweet. Yummy. Alright. Thank you sa mga nag-subscribe sa ato ang channel. Labi pa sa mga taga Bantayan Island. So, sa mga foreigners nga naka-visit sa Bantayan Islands, thank you so much. Thank you for visiting there and helping our resorts to grow. Let's eat. Ito na ta, guys. Para we feel better.